Ever wanted to download a TikTok video without the watermark? Well, you're in luck. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how exactly to do it. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device and browse for the video you want to download. Once you found it, tap on the share button, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, select the option that says Copy Link. This will copy the link to the video to your device clipboard. Now, open your device browser and navigate to the website snaptik.app. This website provides a tool for downloading TikTok videos without the watermark. Once you're on the Snaptik website, you'll see a text box where you can paste the link to the TikTok video. Tap on the box and select Paste to insert the link you copied earlier. After pasting the link, hit the download button next to the text box. This will initiate the download process for the TikTok video. Depending on your device and internet connection, the download may take a few moments. Be patient and wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, you'll be prompted to confirm the download. Now, navigate to your device download folder or wherever downloaded files are saved. You should see the TikTok video file that you just downloaded. Tap on the video file to open it and play it on your device. And there you have it, your TikTok video without a watermark. You can now enjoy the video without any distractions and share it with your friends or repost it on other social media platforms. And that's how you download TikTok videos without the watermark using Snaptik. It's quick, easy, and free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see ya!